Hello and welcome to this video, and on this video today I'll be discussing 15 different type of online business ideas that you could start in 2022 to easily make between $1,000 a month, which will be 15,000 rand, or up to 75,000 rand, $5,000 a month, for so you can add a little bit more money into your account without an like some money. Now, before we get into this video, I am Tanya. I'm an online business coach and marketing strategist based in Johannesburg, South Africa. And on this channel, I help coaches, experts, and creators leverage their personal brands to attract high ticket premium clients and close premium sales of packages that usually range well over $1,000. Now, why I wanted to do this video is because I get a whole lot of questions around if coaching is the only viable business, and of course it isn't. But there are different type of businesses that you could start online. But on this video particularly, I'll be discussing online service businesses. Before we get into this video furthermore, if you would like to know how you can land 5 high-paying clients in the next 30 days, check out the description box. You will find a free mini course that you can take that could help you land your first 5 premium clients. Okay, so before we get into this any further, let us quickly discuss the different type of businesses that you could start online outside of those that we'll be discussing in this video.
So now I'm going to cover the different type of online businesses available. So I have mentioned them before, but now I'm just going to give a quick definition of what they are so that you are able to know what's coming ahead. So you have affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and services in exchange for a commission. That's what affiliate marketers do. You now also have service providers. You offer your services online to companies in exchange for payment. And then you have e-commerce where you sell physical products to consumers and it gets shipped out. It's just that they don't have to go to the store to get it. It's that they can purchase whatever you are selling from the comfort of their own homes. Then you have your digital product. Just like having an e-commerce store, the difference is that the products are downloadables. So you could have your templates, you could have your workbooks, you could have your apps, you have your courses, you have your ebooks. Those are digital products. You sell digital downloadables to people and they purchase it and can consume it immediately as they purchase it or within a certain time frame if you are selling coaching programs. And then you have blogging, the oldest kid on the block. You provide useful, entertaining, and helpful content to the public and make money through brand partnerships, sponsorships, and collaborations. So you are the product, you are the brand, and people now leverage your community to they leverage your community, they leverage you and your brand in order to get access to your community so that they can sell it to them. Because if you recommend it, people are going to buy it because they trust, like, and know you.
Alright, now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's quickly jump into why I feel that creating an online service-based business is actually the best viable option if you are bootstrap, you don't have a whole lot of money to start a business, you've been thinking about creating a business, however, you don't have money to stock up on anything. So creating an online business will be for you, and these are the reasons why. Let's jump into the benefits.
So the benefits of a service-based business: low startup cost. You literally can start with just the internet, your phone, laptop, and your knowledge. Literally, just that. So your Wi-Fi as contract that could cost you $30, $30, $40, $50, whatever contract you are on, and then your laptop electricity that you already use in your house, and the knowledge that is inside your head, like I like to say, you do gold inside your head, and you can start. It has high profit margins. Often, you are offering services where you barely don't have any cost of sale associated with it. One of the biggest differences with product-based businesses is that you have cost of sale, which is often the cost of acquisition of the goods that you are selling. Whereas with service-based businesses, you have high margins because you don't really have any cost of sales that needs to be deducted from your revenue. You do have expenses, but it is quite minimal in comparison to what you make. It is easier to find clients as a service based business.
Got it? Now, let's quickly jump into the 15 type of businesses that you can start and start making money right now.
So, today we are now covering the types of online services you may offer, the kind of businesses that you can start. We have covered the benefits. We have covered why it's interesting to consider being a service provider or otherwise said having a service-based business. Now we are going to cover the different types of online services you may offer. Number one, very popular, the demand is quite high, are virtual assistants. A virtual assistant is a self employed individual that offers administrative, creative, or technical support to other entrepreneurs or enterprises from their home office. So it is the benefit of having a personal assistant without them being present. It's usually the fraction of a cost of hiring an assistant in your office. This is why it has become quite popular and in high demand in the market. As a virtual assistant, you have a ton of opportunities, especially if you niche down to different type of services. If you are technical or you are creative or you just administrative, but administrative doesn't earn that much. But if you niche down, become a lot more technical, have a lot more creative offers, you can demand a lot more. I have seen virtual assistant that can demand up to $1,000 a month on for their services in terms of a retainer to those that only ask like a few $100s. It all boils down to what is your niche. Let's move on. Now we also have social media managers and or marketers. So they offer social media related services. As social media managers oversees a company interaction with the public through implementing content strategies on social media platforms. A social media marketer creates content for clients with the purpose of driving traffic, generate leads for their clients. So as a social media marketer, you are driving traffic, trying to generate lead, whereas a social media manager kind of oversees the overall tone of the social media platforms of a company or an entrepreneur. Now, you also have consultants. These are independent specialists hired by a business to take a look at the business and advise the company on the best plausible way to reach their goals. Very self-explanatory, very popular even in the mainstream corporate field. You look at McKinsey and Company and a number of other companies that have consultants to do just that. The other one that is very popular of late, and myself, I am a proprietor. I am one of the people, a proprietor. I am one of the people that is also practicing this, is being a coach. It is a service where a much experienced person help and support a client overcome limitations and achieve a goal that ties back to personal or professional development. So you help somebody reach a particular goal as a coach. Now, you have graphic designers. These are visual communicators. They create visual concepts by hand or by using computer software. They communicate ideas to inspire, inform, or captivate consumers through both physical and virtual art form that includes images, words, graphics. So these that is also something that you could consider doing if you have a creative eye. You have strategists. I also double down as a strategist because for the longest time in my career, I have been a strategist. So a strategist develops opinion on the future direction of a company and its brand based on existing and predicted conditions, other non-variable intuitions and research. This is a definition by David Liao, a creative strategist. So basically, as a strategist, you look at a company and you look at the current problems that they have and you look at how you can get them to their goal, their desires, and you also give them the tool, equip them with the tool and the knowledge to get there. So you are hands on in terms of helping your clients. The next one is an online business manager. Just like any other business, now in an online business, you also have an online business manager. This could be a contractor instead of hiring a person. So, an online business manager is a service provider who works on a freelance basis. They offer management level support to busy online owners and entrepreneurs. So I am very busy. I don't have the time to handle the nitty gritty things of my business. I hire somebody to manage it on my behalf. You now also have online community managers or concierges. These are people that often work in communities developed by the online business owners to help foster a community feeling in their online communities. So they often work on new ways to engage the digital community and are often seen as advocates of the brand. So this is their job. They help you propel your brand forward with your community. Now you also have the online agencies. This is a popular business model, quite that many people start out as is you offer support and digital marketing services to online business owners to help them grow and scale their businesses. And the final phase, you have content writers. This is a person that specializes in providing relevant content to website blogs to entertain or educate their client audience. You then have your copywriters, which are individuals that write content that is persuasive with the aim to elicit a purchase from the reader. So there's a huge difference between a content writer who is often trying to entertain or educate and a copywriter who's trying to get you to spend your money. So we then have videographers or photographers. These are people responsible for recording live events, small scale video production, and a photographer is an individual that captures events with photography. This is self explanatory. Now we have funnel builders. As a funnel builder, you're a business development specialist with technical skills hired to bring marketing campaigns to life and design customers' journey with the purpose of turning prospects into leads and into clients. You then have your lead generation specialist. These are contractors usually hired to generate targeted leads for companies to client acquisition. And you now have your sales closers. These are independent sales specialists hired to close high ticket sales presentations for companies. These are some of the businesses that you could start. There is a number of them, a multitude of them, but these are the ones that I have found to be very, very lucrative.
All right, now that we have got this covered, let me know in the comments down below what business you would be more interested in starting with amongst the ones that I've listed. And don't forget to join my community of online business entrepreneurs, coaches, and course creators. The link will be in the description box. Come and join the family. And on there, we share a whole lot more trainings on a weekly basis and a whole lot of tips to launch and scale your business. On this note, I'll see you next time. Bye.